Hey, it's Vas here from Aussie Playground, and today we're going to be speed testing the DHK Maximus. This truck only runs on 4S, so this will be pretty quick. We're going to find out exactly what it can do stock out of the box. Alright, here we go. Box claims 80 k's an hour. Although I really don't think it's going to do that without a pinion change, but let's see what it does stock. Here we go now, our first run. Sixty-one kilometers an hour. All right, let's go. Second pass. Definitely needs a pinion change to go that little bit quicker. Here we go. $61 again. That is about as much as this thing can do. We'll do one more for shits and giggles. Here we go. That steering servo. How much? 59 that time. I was swirling a little bit, swerving a little bit on the road. Let's see what our GPS says. And we have a total of 61 kilometers an hour. If the camera would focus on that, it would be fantastic. There we go, 61 k's an hour on the GPS as well. That is what this thing can do stock out of the box. If it's claiming 80, it definitely needs a pinion change. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll be speaking to you all next time.